This is a MacBook Air motherboard. Another backlight issue. Another case of backlight. See, backlight is flickering. Continue. This is a backlight issue. And when screen is flickered, see there is a backlight diode, and this is a high voltage diode. Connect properly ground. Yes, this is 26 volt is okay with flicker, and this is 8 volt. Both voltage of diode is okay, but we need to check this volt when it's flickered. We have to stop. If when screen is flickered and voltage is down, then this is the issue in this side, either 8 volt, either 26 volt. Yes, when flickering 8 volt is down, but 26 volt is steady when flickering. It means there is an issue in this diode's 8 volt side. See, when flickering 8 volt is down. Continue. We repair this board. See, display is now continue on. There is some manageable work here, this section, and this display is now continue on without flickering, start to end. Before it's flickering, start to end, and due to 8 volt is missing. Continue. This is this flickering now. See, before it's 8 volt now stable, and display also stable. Before it's flickering 8 volt, and this volt is not issue, 26 volt is okay, and this 8 volt is now stable, and display also not flickering. See, this case study of MacBook Air 1466 is now complete. Thank you.